better shot. So the microphone thing is in here. Gives me a little more range maybe. That's all I'm gonna do. That's what I'm going. Concerned that they're building I'm gonna film this in case it doesn't come out in the audio way. Oh, I guess I can check too. Neat feature. Hi, I'm James. That's the security system. She will eat you. Oh. Oh, there it is. Okay. So, oh, I have the ability to do remote desktop here. Yeah, get some. Eventually I'll get out in the sticks. Oh, it does work. All right. Wow, that's really loud. Not louder than I thought. Wow, let me tell you what, I'm gonna turn the audio off. You know what? Just a minute. All right, we'll try that. Bark, bark. Isn't that great? Testing 1, 2. 1, 2. All right. Sorry about the feedback. We do things professionally here. There we go. All right. 3, 2, 1. It is 4:10. There's a big fire on the west side of Indy right now. Walmart distribution center is burning, but that's not why we're watching. I'm going to go ahead and do a video with all the barking involved, just because it's what I deal with.
Well, I made it to
Oh, I forgot about that too. Darn.
the fire's about, I'd say about a third of a mile away. I'm sure glad the wind is from the southwest. No, we're not downwind from the fire, that's for sure.
So, I'm going to go ahead and shut the news network off for a second because we have a representative very, very close to the fire. So, I'm not going to get called upon anyway. There we go. If y'all need me, call me. It's not like that. Alright, hey, I'm filming this on, this is going out on YouTube Live, but I thought I would take advantage of the day and remove the spacer here so the bees don't build excess comb. I do not think that we're going to have any problems with any resources here that I need to add the sugar block or anything to these guys. So I've got a camera down here. Hi, camera. And of course, I'm not going to use any smoke. This should be interesting. Mainly because I don't really want them panic consuming anything. Although a flavor of smoke might not be a bad idea. But since I don't have one, so what I'm going to do, this is maybe a waste, maybe not, but the idea is the inside of here in the wintertime, there being no defined layer of what's warm and what's hot through that insulation. That's the idea. to make a fuzzy line instead of a sharp line of hot versus cold, so you don't get water dripping from the middle down. Now that doesn't mean it can't go on the inside or whatever. Not my concern at the moment. So they've glued this dude shut just a little bit. So every time I make a noise, I'm going to stand back. I'm going to open it this way. Okay, that's really good. Got some interesting propolis buildup. Try to pop the top here. Oh, and work on the other side. So I had I had taped this shut because they were just packing this with propolis. So I didn't think they were concerned. Actually, with the bee in half. It's nice. If they were trying to do that, I didn't think they needed to have that extra entrance. They didn't think so, so I agreed. So, the idea is we're going to see how bad this is. One little bump right there. My forearm. Set the tool here, I think. So, this is propolis, okay? It's like tree sap. And they use it to seal up against the weather, but it's also has really good antibacterial properties. And they use it to encase pests. They'll trap a beetle in and encase it. Alright, so just gonna pop the top. Just a few here. Good. So you want to do this when it's like 70 minimum. Good, they're not building any comb. All the sugar's been hauled out or consumed. So we can just go ahead and remove that. I had like a block and a block and a block and a block and a block of sugar. And earlier, or late this winter, they were hauling the sugar out in chunks. So, not breaking my frame. This is a home-built frame. Stick on the camera. Let's see right about there. Oops, sorry. I'm filming two things at once. So anyway, just gonna let them think about that for a minute. Everything's cool. I'm gonna take this block right here, move slow, deliberately. Like the movie Dune. Slow hand. Oh, there's a beetle stuck in the propolis right there. Dang it. Oh man, that's a spider. It's an ant. They're starting to take notice. I would take that and boogie woogie. I'm just gonna leave that big glob of goop right there. Take a quick look. So we got bees all the way across. Looking good. Not interested to mess with them. We still got a 30-degree night coming up. So this one I left them under supered, if you will. They were in the top two boxes. late last fall, and we had a kind of a late pollen bloom or nectar flow, whatever. So it's like, man. So I stuck them on the bottom for whatever reason. Can't remember exactly why. There we go. Clunk, clunk. That usually makes them really happy when you make loud knocking noises on their hives. Serves no scientific purpose, but it really ticks them off. Well, you could, I guess you could say, test their temperament. So they've already left my screen here. What I'll do, I think I'll leave that in the sun, away from the hive. So you don't want to attract robbers. I'm gonna go inside and scrape some off and put that in the bottom. Yeah. It's nice and gooey. And I'm just going to restrap this sucker. Like I said, I am going to put this back on, not to shock them into different circumstances all of a sudden. And yeah, I like strapping them. Not that anyone asked, it just occurred to me that that might be a question. Alright, but you get the idea. I'm going to restrap that dude. And then, I don't know, I think what we'll do here in a bit, get the ladder out and rebait that swarm trap. Maybe even clean up the yard a little bit. I'm going to leave this thing here. It's an empty hive, but it's got make sure it's not all webbed out. Bonus! Oh, see, she's figured out. How do you think that dog's figured out that at a certain point she gets real quiet? I'm gonna give you a guess. Make sure there's no dead mice or it's fun. Something else I need to do is get these traps all, fill these up with mineral oil, and then they chase them in there, and then they seal them up with the propolis. That's kind of gross and moldy there. Anyway, gotta get those traps in there. Project in the next 2 days. Hey there, Scout Bee. No. Or, you know what? Let's come back at you. Put you in there. Notice the Scout Bee if it came up. That's all I got for a minute. Hey, thanks for tuning in.